Frequency clear.
10-4.
323. Can I have that case number?
160-695. 160-695.
Turned around and saw you guys after I called and saw him walking this way. He turned up this way, saw me, went bug-eyed, turned and started walking this way.
That's not him on that bench, is it?
No, that's one of our boys.
Well, I saw him matching the clothing description, so when I walked up here, he gave me a fuck you look, and so I figured he was the guy, and I asked him what's going on, and he just took off.
Okay. He didn't have his stick with him.
No, I threw it over there by the school, so he can't climb that barbed wire fence.
Okay.
Alright. Here you go, sir. That's case card for the report that I'm going to do. It'll be ready in about 2 to 3 business days for you to get your copy.
Okay.
And you can call that number on the bottom right-hand side in 2 to 3 business days to make sure it's ready before you go down there.
Okay. Well, I mean, what is there anything that I'm supposed to do?
This guy's clearly off his medication. I mean, I don't know what this guy's dealing with.
So, once you get your report, if you get your report, if you want to press charges, you can take that report down to the magistrate's office, and you can press charges on them. The address for the magistrates, I believe it's 808. It's on the back of the car. It should say magistrate and have the address on the back.
All right.
Yeah, I understand.
He's not leaving this area.
He just, I mean, dude, I don't mean he spat on me. I mean, he blew a massive ass loop in my face.
Where is he right now?
He just walked off towards the Nick.
The Nick? Alright, cool.
Alright, thanks guys.
Alright, no problem.
Alright, sorry, Bobby.
So this is his bad pet. I was gonna go down there and see if I could find him.
He's not going to talk.
Well, he got some pills to Theodore Williams.
Okay.
Oh,
they're running.
Oh, where my keys? Ah, here we go. What you want to do?
Trying to figure out for the kind of aggressive. Just watch out.
Okay. You want to get this out? What's going on, man?
Fuck wrong with your ass.
What's wrong with your ass?
Fuck wrong with you.
What's wrong with you?
Fuck wrong with you.
What's wrong with you?
Fuck wrong with your ass. Get your ass.
Nah, come on. Where you going?
Come on now, why you running?
Make a story. The NFL going on right now. We've got you covered.
What's the deal, bud? Huh? What's the deal?
Beat the fuck out your game.
What's going on, man? Huh?
Come on, man. Let's do it. You didn't get him.
Come on, what's up? What's up? What's up? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You better turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back right now. Put your hands behind your back. She said that was deep. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Radio 322.
2200 block of Magnolia. You got the cuffs?
You say 24? 1024 and 1313.
23.
Yeah. Marine President 1313, radio sergeant.
Oh! Here you go. I don't know if this is broken or what.
Radio 304, 305, 306.
Put it in my car. Alright, man, we're gonna get you up nice and easy, okay? Hold on. Let him lay that for a minute.
Radio 304, 305, or 306. We have a 302. 302, 23 and 22 is the supervisor, 2200 block of Magnolia Avenue. That's 1314.
Radio service to dispatch.
Go ahead.
Say the call number.
1726.
1726.
1726.
10-4. Checking on the south backup channel as well.
You got your car those cuffs. I did. Oh, you did? You locked it? Yeah.
Don't know who has a
1726.
Spit mask. Yeah, he spit on me too. Threw a big right hook at me.
They tried to fist fight me in the damn middle of the street. I was ready for him. Damn Willis about to take his ass and go running.
They got a place for him at the city jail. You get on it, they can go out on the concrete bricks of the cell.
Come on,
What you need?
Punch right through him, bud.
Let me get you something right here, bro.
325.
Fuck, nigga. Fuck, nigga.
Spell it.
Fuck, nigga.
Spell either one of them.
It's you, nigga. It's your name right there.
What's you so mad about, man? What's going on? Alright, smack. You gotta find the goddamn.
What'd you say he had in this book bag?
25.
Said you saw some pills or something? Yeah.
It's not explained.
Where my property at? Your property? I found that book bag. That's mine.
Where my head?
Who was the last person to touch it? Me or you? Me. I was the last person to touch it. You abandoned in that park.
We got a 325.
What'd you do that for? Why would you abandon your own property?
I'm not here. What you got?
It's going on 5039, 51, 18th Street South.
I got spit on me, you know.
951, 18th Street
You wouldn't be able to
South.
see it. Unless he spits.
Plans they have a resident often media from yelling and screaming and cursing. Those should come to the lobby. It's 1317. You can clear around with 25 on this 53, 951, 18th Street South.
2 seconds. Give me
Just get it.
Those cars never went in them, did they?
That's it for 1317.
You were just able to catch it on foot?
Yeah, he tried to fight.
Oh, he turned and tried to swing.
I'm sorry, man.
323. Yeah, go ahead. I got some more. Yeah, I ain't need no. 2 through them get 1029. We ready.
We have oil in that person.
Which one your car? I gonna put them back there, then we can ride them tomorrow.
I'll rise to the jail.
Alright.
We got misdemeanor charges on right now.
No, it's gonna be felony.
He landed a punch up.
I don't know.
We'll figure it out.
Let's get up, man.
He's been.
Why does he hate you so much?
Because I tried to fight him in the street.
Oh, he tried to swing on you too?
It's about